What if you could start a feature, assign a few tickets, and close your laptop, only to find everything implemented, tested, and documented the next morning? That's exactly what Augment Remote Agents just unlocked. These new cloud-based AI coding agents keep working after you sign off. No ID, no machine, no babysitting. Augment just released remote agents, and it's a big deal. Unlike local agents, these run entirely in the cloud. Fully isolated workspaces, parallel task execution, GitHub integration, and full VS Code power when you need to jump in. You can now launch multiple agents that complete coding tasks end-to-end, asynchronously, independently, and continuously. Here's what remote agents are already doing: triaging issues and reviewing PRs while you sleep, refactoring huge codebases without slowing down your flow, generating unit tests, documentation, and readmes, writing full features across files and branches, no manual scaffolding. And yes, they can even start tickets in Linear or Jira, open PRs, and track Git commits. It's like managing a team of expert engineers who never log off. To use it, open the Augment panel in VS Code. Select Remote Agent. Choose your repo and branch. Type your natural language prompt. Click Create Agent. Done. Each agent runs in its own secure environment with access to your GitHub repo. You can review file diffs, track progress, connect via SSH, or stop and revise at any time. Want multiple agents running in parallel? You got it. Remote agents take everything Augment's local agent can do and make it fully asynchronous and scalable. Add multi-file features. Perform tasks across multiple repos. Keep running after you close versus code. And work on multiple threads at once. This is not just code completion. This is agentic software development. The future of engineering teams. Cloud-native AI devs that don't need breaks. Join the waitlist now at. And if you want to build software faster without context switching, like, share, and subscribe for more AI coding agent updates.